the number one place to be cooking dinner at 6:45, listening to Right Bozo, massage every blade of grass with, this. Now, he turned it off, but now it's back on, you see. And again, it's 6:30. Let's cook some dinner and, just listen to this insufferable noise, Absolutely unbearable. So anyways, let's see, because invite people over, have fun, dinner, I'm not the crazy one here, right? And again, maybe we can catch a glimpse of him. Can we get a glimpse of him? Yeah, you can see it right over there. He's just blasting all the leaves onto his lawn, It's 6:45. It's what, a Tuesday today? Perfect time to do them. I mean, and that's the point. There's never a good time to do this because it's morning, then it's in the middle of the day, and some people are home and doing stuff and sunbathing, or it's 6:45, and and he's just blowing into the lawn there, right? He's just blowing into the lawn. I have a timer for this, and that's it. And again, these are these electric blowers. They're so wonderful. It's not commercial, and yet the great thing about these electric ones is, of course, you can hear it as a whistle inside the house. I mean, it's even with the ear-canceling headphones, as we're calling them. Again, he's gathering them into a giant pile because rakes don't exist. Maybe we can catch a glimpse of it. Oh no, let's see here. No. You know what? Let me try this way. You see right there? There's a pile. Productive. So productive. I mean, and so there's a lawn on the other side that's about this big too, right? Again, that's an irrigation faucet thing for the water sprinkler. So we're talking a couple feet, right, across. And again, just use a leaf blower to take 3 times as long as what a rake would do. So you're saving so much time, right, by corralling every leaf individually from the lawn. It's just absolutely crazy. Let's not lift this. We're just here pretending we're doing things, just so we can seethe about the insanity of it. But, And again, they're not even saving time. So it's not even like, oh, it's so efficient. It's so efficient. But you'll have to tolerate the noise. It takes longer. It takes longer. Fucking takes longer. Oh, he's bringing it in now. Or see, he's moving the mower or blower. Who knows? 475. That's pretty good. Just some garlic and pepper. All right. So it's just the usual. Anyways, if it continues, I'll turn it back on. But this was more than enough. Unbearable. Just use a fucking ring. It is 6:43. So 6:39, 35. And it was going on for another 10 minutes before, right? Anyways. And 5 seconds later, literally 5 seconds later, we are now back on the driveway. And, right, maybe we could get some dust on my hamburgers here, right? Again, going over the same, Oh my God. Going over the same 10 square feet, It's very productive. It's extremely productive, right? And he's wearing these safety goggles too. They're kind of yellow tinted. It's like the funniest thing. You know, maybe you don't have to wear safety goggles if you're using a rake, right? Because what's the big say? I mean, you're gonna poke yourself in the eye with the end of it. Maybe. So that's how it is here, and the number one place to look. Oh, look at that, perfect. Because we got to get a turner here. It makes a nice sound. Anyways, not sure if it picked it up. Kind of rings for a little bit, but look at that. He knows how to use a rake. Look at that. Look at that. He knows how to use a rake. Just, you know. That's a little too close. Look at that. All right, so that, oh, my finger's on it, okay. So I guess that's it. I guess we got some content for the internet. That's always good, right? But 4 minutes on each side, I guess it might be good. We'll put in the meat stabbing tool thing. And, unbearable. So anyways, if he turns it on in the next 5 seconds, I'll do another one. But hopefully this is it, so.